So, hello, how are you, Chapati? I hope you are doing well, and now I hope you are very excited regarding your board examination. It means, Chapati, our first paper of class 10th CBSE 2022 and 2023. First paper will start from 27th of February. That is English. Then after Bacha, on 4th March, our subject, it means science. So don't worry about science, just stay tuned with us, cover my 1 hour session of every day, and you will definitely score well in board examination. So Bacha, today we are going to discuss about electricity. Topic I told you, what is it? Electricity. In electricity, I am not going to teach you any concept. I will just cover all the pyqs. Up to now, last 15 years, whatever question will come in front of us in a CBSE board, that all question I am going to cover. So see, I am ready with all pyqs of your class 10. So I think total number of question in front of us is 152 from this chapter. So we will cover each and every question and most expected question that will be in our examination. So just stay tuned with us, and if you like our session, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. So bacha, before starting the lecture, I am telling you, see now time. If you observe here, what's 11:59? It means just 12 o'clock. Night 12. I am recording this session for you, for your better enrichment. Okay, see again. So just stay tuned with us. Just keep faith on me, and you will rock in examination. So now I am going to start with questions. So bacha, in front of us 1 marks question. First I will discuss about 1 marks question. Okay, I am not going to write here all question, but I will dictate question, what question they are asking. On the basis of that, you can understand. The first question in front of us is what? They are asking if the charge on one electron be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It means bacha, they given us what? Charge. They given on one electron, on an electron, it means they given electron value 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And they are saying in 1 coulomb of charge, number of electrons they are asking. What they are asking? Number of electrons. So how we will solve this question? So bacha, we have one formula of quantization of charge. Q is equal to plus minus N. I hope you know that. So Q is equal to plus minus N. They are asking M. Q they given 1 coulomb. So 1C is equal to N into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Next one, it will come this side. So 1C upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is equal to N. Bacha, CC cancel. It will go up. So what we will write? We can write as like this. N is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 19 upon 1.6. If we remove this point, bacha, here 10 will come. So shall I write this number 10 into 10 into 10 to the power 80? If I change 10 to the power 90 into this form, 10 to the power 80 into 10 to the power 1. Any problem? No, sir. So same thing I did here. So bacha, it become 100 upon 60. So if you divide this number, you will get 6.25 into 10 raised to the power 18 electrons. So I hope you understand this question. So first question, I hope you clear in front of you. In 1 coulomb of charge, how many numbers of electrons are present? Then answer is 6.25 into 10 raised to the power 18 electrons are present. If you want to take a screenshot, just take it. Next. So see, first question that we covered here. Now we are coming to second question, picture. Second question, 1 marks question, they will ask. What they will ask? They are asking, list any 2 factor on which resistance of a conductor depend. CBSE 2016 question. What they ask? On what factor resistance depends? So bacha, simple thing. Resistance depend upon length of a wire. If length increase, resistance increase. Second, inversely proportional to area. If area increase, resistance decrease. Third, resistance depend upon temperature. If temperature increase, resistance decrease. Next, resistance depend upon what? Nature of material. Nature of material. Bachcha, they are asking 2 points. I given you 4 points. Among that, anyone can be right. Length of a wire, area of a cross section, temperature, and nature of materials. So this question also clear. Now next question they are asking 1 marks question. Again, this question they asked in Delhi 2016. So Delhi 2016, what they asked, bachcha? They asked SI unit of electric potential. So SI unit of electric potential is V. What is the SI unit? SI unit of V is volt. Here they will ask one more concept. What is 1 volt? So bachcha, at that time you will write what? 1 joule of work is done to bring unit discharge from infinity to a point in an electric field. So 1 J upon 1 C. Because we know that V is equal to W by Q. So work done upon charge is equal to electric potential. So 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to a point in an electric field is called 1 volt. I hope this concept also clear to you. Next point we will discuss. Next one, they are asking state Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? So I am giving you perfect definition, right? At constant temperature and pressure, at constant temperature and pressure, electric current passing through a conducting wire is directly proportional to the potential difference across two terminals. But this point is very important. So at constant temperature and pressure, electric current passing through conducting wire is directly proportional to the potential difference across the two terminals. So V is directly proportional to I from there. Here they are saying. So V is equal to IR. Here R is constant. So that constant we refer as a resistance. Sometime here they will ask graph. Then you write draw graph. I and this is V. So in between the graph is always this one, a straight line. So this is theta, and we all know that if I take this one V, then this is I. So tan theta is equal to what? P by V. And we know that theta front side is perpendicular to V upon I. And V upon I from this formula you will understand that if V is equal to I, so then R is equal to V by I. Any problem? So shall I write it is equal to R? So you understand tan theta is equal to R. Any problem? So tan theta is equal to R. It means maximum angle, maximum resistance. So from here, how they ask question that we will discuss. So now understand another question. These all are P by Qs, bachcha. Graph I told you. So see, from here they will ask question. They will give you graph 1 and 2. Now they will ask in which graph, in which one show maximum resistance. Then answer here automatically our work is 2 is greater than 1. So maximum resistance is here and less resistance is R1. Why? Because here angle is more. Is it theta 1? This is theta 2. So theta 1 is greater than theta 2. And we know that tan theta 0 to 90 if you go move, angle increase, angle value increases. That's why. Clear? Good. Next point. Just keep this video at a 1.5 or 2. It is easy for you to cover all the concept in a very less time. Next point which they are asking in front of us. Mention any one reason why tungsten is used making filament on an electric lamp. So question is simple. Tungsten, sorry. They are asking we have a tungsten, bacha. We have a tungsten. Tungsten, you know its symbol W. Scientific name wolfram. Question is that why tungsten is used for making filament in a electric lamp? It means this question is CBSE 2015. It's a most repeated question, expected question. Why tungsten we use to making a filament of an electric bulb? Simple answer, bacha. We will write high melting point, high MP, and low resistivity. Because of that, we use tungsten as a filament in an electric lamp. Next point. They are asking, name the device used to measure electric current in a circuit. So, bacha, device used to measure electric current in a circuit is a meter. A device used to measure potential difference, voltmeter. Any doubts? Now, I am writing some difference. Maybe they will ask question and you understand it clearly. Measure, what they measure? Measure I. They measure, bacha, V. Next point. Connected in series. Connected in parallel. Next point, bacha, important for us. What is this? Measure I, measure V, connected in series, connected in parallel. Okay. Symbol, bacha, if I write plus minus here, it is also part of a difference. Next point, ideal resistance. They used to measure current now. So here resistance is what? Ideal resistance. Ideal resistance 0. Here ideal resistance, ideal are infinity. Clear? Next point, bacha, if resistance found here, the resistance is always minimum. Resistance is always minimum. And here, bacha, maximum. I hope you understand this whole concept. So I discussed you ammeter and voltmeter difference also. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. So one question is there, CBSE 2015 question. CBSE 2015 question I am discussing with you. What they are asking? They are asking in an electric circuit. State the relationship between the direction of conventional current and direction of flow of electron. It means they are asking, bacha, direction between I and E. What are direction between current and electron? So, bacha, you always say current flow from positive to negative. Electron flow from negative to positive. Clear? Electron flow from negative to positive, current flow from positive to negative. Question are that what are the relation between direction of electric current and electron? So, you will say current flow from positive to negative, electron flow from negative to positive. So, direction is what? Opposite. Okay. Now they are asking all India question AI 2014 question is there. Which has more resistivity? Metal या alloy? So answer which I always remember that alloy has more resistivity. If I ask nichromium, example I give you, take. I given you iron and nichromium. Nichrome. Which has more resistive? Nichrome is a alloy, so nichrome has more rho. Okay. It means resistivity of metal is low. Next question they asked CBSE 2014. SI unit of resistivity. So, bacha, R is directly proportional to L and R is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. So, if we combine equation 1 and equation 2, bacha, we will get R is directly proportional to L upon A. So, from here removing proportional, we use constant. That constant is nothing, it is rho. And rho is nothing, rho is bacha, kiski beti? Resistivity, resistivity. So, rho is equal to RA by L. So, bacha, R means what? Resistance. Resistance unit is what? Ohm. And area means meter squared. And length means meter. So it get cancelled. So it is what? Ohm meter. Yes, I'll be write this number as like this also. Ohm meter. This is the symbol of ohm. Next question they ask bacha, CBSE 2014. It is also important question. CBSE 2014. They are asking state the difference. They are asking difference between the wire we used in electric heater and in a fuse wire. They are asking electric heater. Bacha, we have electric heater, and one is fuse wire. They are asking we use wire here in electric heater, electric and fuse wire. What are the difference between them? So, bacha, simple thing you will write. In a few electric heater, we use high resistance and high melting point wire. Here, bacha, we will use low MP and low R. So, bacha, simple thing. Electric heater wire has high resistance and high melting point. Fuse wire has low melting point and low resistance. Clear? Next point. Next question they ask power of a lamp. What was the next question? Next question they have given power, they given 60 watt, and they are asking energy in joules. If time they given bacha 1 second, time 1 second they are asking energy in joule. So bacha, we know that power is equal to energy by time. So energy is equal to power into time. Power is 60 watt and time is 1 second. So answer is 60 joule. Right on. Okay. Any doubts? This question is CBSE 2014 again. So see, we covered one page now. Full one page covered. Total we discussed 12 questions till now. Now coming to next. They are asking, why do we use copper aluminum wire for a transmission of electric current? They are asking why we use Cu and aluminum wire for transmission of electric current. The answer is what? Low resistivity. They have a low resistivity. Okay. Any doubt? Next question, bacha. They are saying this, define electric circuit. CBSE 2010 question. At that time they are asking not more hard tough question. So at that time they discussed define electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? The closed path from which electric current can flow. It is known as electric circuit. Okay. Next point. They are asking again same repeated question. Why tungsten is selected for making filaments? So because of high resistance and high melting point. Next question, bacha. They discuss what happen when resistance of a conductor when temperature is increased. So bacha, they are asking what happen to resistance if we increase the temperature. So if you resistance directly proportional to temperature, if you increase the temperature, resistance also increase. Okay. Any doubts? Next question they are giving. This is important question, bacha. They are asking find minimum resistance. Find minimum resistance. Find minimum resistance. They given us few resistance: 4 ohm resistance, 8 ohm resistance, 12 ohm resistance, and 24 ohm resistance. So, bacha, they given us this data. So they ask minimum. Instead of minimum, bacha, if they ask maximum, same concept. Remember that I am discussing that also. So whenever they ask maximum, the maximum is simple. You find resistance in series. So just you add, you will get maximum resistance. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 24, 48 ohm is maximum resistance. If they ask. But here they are asking lowest or minimum resistance. So for lowest resistance, we will find parallel combination. RP is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, so on. This is the formula. So 1 upon R, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24. Any doubts? Next, LCM if you take 24 is LCM 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6, 3, 9 plus 2. 9 to 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 24. It get cancelled 1 by 2. So 1 upon RP is equal to 1 by 2. So RP is equal to 2 ohm. The minimum resistance is what? 2 ohm in this circuit. Any doubts? Again, bacha, see, questions are repeating now by changing the words. Now what happened? Question start repeating. Why? Because changing their words, language. Now they are asking, nicromium is used to make the element of electric heater. Why? So answer is simple. Why? Because they have a high melting point and high resistance. Okay. Next point, bacha. What happened to resistance of a conductor when the length of a wire is reduced to half? This is a good question. See, now till now. They are saying, suppose we have initial resistance, R is equal to rho L by A. They said, in a new resistance, length become L by 2. Then what happened? So see, if I take R1 is equal to rho L by 2A, length become half. So see, rho L 2A is equal to R1. Bacha, it is actually what? R. So R1 is equal to R by 2. The resistance is half of initial. Any doubts? I hope you understand this concept. Right, next point. Bacha, this page we also covered. Next concept they are asking, is anything left here? Out of the two, a toaster of 1 kW electric, to a heater 2, which has a high greater resistance. Okay, so see, one more question is there. It's a good question. They are saying that a toaster, we have a toaster 1 kilowatt, and another is electric heater. We have electric heater 2 kilowatt. They are asking among them which has a greater resistance, which have a maximum R. They are asking. Question is, so see, simple thing, bacha. Power given. So P is equal to, we have a formula, P is equal to what? V square by R. Formula is there. How it came? Understand again. Power is equal to what? Energy by time. Any doubts? Bacha, V is equal to what? W by Q. Any doubts? No, sir. So W is equal to what? VQ. Any doubts? No, sir. So E is energy, power, same thing. So energy, capacity of doing what is known as energy. So energy what? So E is equal to VQ. So write here VQ by T. Any doubts? No, sir. Next one, bacha. So see, Q by T is equal to what? Because we know that I is equal to Q by T. So see, from here we can write VI. P is equal to VI. Any problem? No, sir. Next, V is equal to what, bacha? Question again came in front of us, na? So V is equal to what? IR into I. So I squared R. Okay. So P is equal to I squared R. Any doubts? Tell me. P is equal to I squared R. So now question come. We understand here power. Something is missing, na? What is that? No, it's right. Next one we'll discuss. Come here. Wait, I will make you easy way, convenient way for you. See what I try to say. P is equal to V square by R. How it came? Important thing is that. So, bacha, power and resistance is inversely proportional. Okay. So, power and resistance is inversely proportional. So, you remember that where power is more, here power is more. So, resistance is less. R is less. So, R is maximum where? Here. Clear? Write down. Next point. Simple thing. Power is inversely proportional to resistance. P is equal to V square by R. So this part we also covered. Next question again they give. What they given? We have a two state which have a higher resistance. We have a 50 watt or a 25 watt. So which have a higher resistance? So simple thing, bacha. Higher resistance where? Bacha, power more, resistance less. So power less, resistance more. Here 25 watt has the higher resistance. Any doubts? Next. Next question is that a cylinder of a material 10 centimeter long and has a cross section area of 2 centimeters. Suppose here they given length of a cylindrical wire. Suppose we have one cylindrical wire, picture. Okay, they given length of a cylindrical wire is 10 centimeter and their cross section area is the area is 2 centimeters square. So they are asking resistivity, they are asking rho, and resistance they given 20 ohm. So simple thing, bacha, see all are in centimeter. What? So why we do burden to convert into meter? So we can directly solve here. So bacha, R is equal to rho L by A. So R is equal to rho L by A. So rho is equal to RA upon L. So 20 into 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10. So bacha 0 0 cancel. So what is the answer? 4 ohm meter centimeter. Any doubts? Come next point. If you have a problem till now, then let me know the answer. Otherwise, we will discuss more. Next, they are asking what is the difference between milliampere and microampere. So milliampere, bacha, what 1 milliampere is equal to, you will write 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is equal to, which I will write 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Okay, these are the things. Next, they are asking what is the resistance of ideal voltmeter. Ideal resistance of voltmeter is infinity. Again, same thing is there, same data is there. Next, what they ask? Okay, this one we will discuss now. This is a good question, so that's I want to discuss with you. So, here they given some data. Here they given X wire. X wire they given this one. See, and they given Y wire. Okay, they say area same, but here length is 12 and here length is L. So they are asking resistance, which one has a greater resistance, which one has greater resistance, it is which one has maximum resistance. Simple thing. Next point, but just simple thing, you are observing area same, length here more, length here less. So length more, resistance more, because we know that R is directly proportional to L. So answer we directly got this one relation. But how much time? If they ask how much time, so for that we can find. So Rx bacha what happened? Rho L by A. Ry bacha what happened? Rho 2L by A. So bacha R 2L A 2 rho L A. Rho L A is what? Rx. So Ry is equal to 2 Rx. So if they ask ratio, so Ry by Rx greater by lesser, so 2 ratio 1. Yeah, if they ask Rx by Ry, so answer is 1 by 2. All aspects I discuss with you. Any doubts? This is the important question. VVI. How they will ask? They give you 2 wire, area same. One is length L, another length is 2L. So they asked you which one has greater resistance. So answer is simple, bacha. Length more, resistance more. So same concept we understand, easily we understand this one. But how much time? So 2 times. This one I discussed you. Okay. Next, if I am going to discuss with you, state the factor on which heat produced in a current event. And they are asking now, this concept you also understand. How heat depend? Heating effect of electric current, Joule's law. How heat depend? Bacha, formula of heat is what? H is equal to I square RT. So H directly proportional to current square, directly proportional to resistance, and directly proportional to time. So this on this they depend. So depend upon the square of the current, directly proportional to resistance, and directly proportional to time. Okay. So see, we have started our class at 12 o'clock, and now I think time is 12:26, and till now we discussed 35 questions. So just stay tuned with us. We will cover maximum number of questions. Okay. Next, they are asking find the resistance of a bulb. They are asking find R. They given 100 watt and 250 volt. 250 volt and 100 watt they given. They are asking resistance. So bacha, power is equal to V square by R. P is equal to V square by R. So simple, 250 squared upon 100. So 250 into 250 upon 100. So bacha, this one cancel. So 625 ohm is the answer. Okay. Next point. Again, see, same pattern, but they are asking in a different way. Name a two special feature of a material to be used in a as an element of an electric iron. So in electric, what are two special points? First, they have a high MP. Second point, what we will discuss, they have a high resistivity. Okay, so this will be also covered. See, again in a CBSE 2011, they ask what they ask. They give you graph C, B, A. Here I and here B. They ask you which one has maximum resistance. C, B, A. Which one has maximum resistance? Answer is what, bacha? Tell me. RC is maximum resistance. After that, RB. After that, RA. Why? Maximum angle, maximum resistance. Because tan theta is directly proportional to resistance. Okay. Next point, if I want to discuss with you, they given a bulb is rated. They given potential difference which are given 5 volt. Next point, current they given 1000 milliampere. So first convert into ampere. So 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Next, they are asking power. Second, they are asking resistance. So simple is bacha. If I first V is equal to IR, so R is equal to V by I. So 5 upon 100 into 10 to the power minus 3. So bacha 5 upon 10 power 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 upon 10 to the power minus 1. It will go up to 50 ohm is the answer. Okay. Resistance we find. Next point. They are asking power. So P is equal to what happened? VI. I told you already one formula is the VI. Okay. So next point. So if P is equal to VI. So see, V is what? 5. And it is what? 10 power 2 into 10 minus 3. So 5 into 10 power minus 1. It is what? 5 upon 10. It is what? 0.5 watt. Okay, this is the answer. Volt given, current given. They are asking power and resistance. The formula we put and we will solve. So see, first to understand what data they given and just go through it with information. Next question they are asking, bacha, an electric bulb draw a current. They said current is given 0.2 ampere. 2004 question. CBSE 2004. This question came in CBSE 2004. See, but paper is very easy. Bacha paper very easy. I current they given 0.2 ampere. After that voltage they given 220 volt. Time they given 1 hours. Sorry, 1 hour. They are asking amount of charge flowing through in 1 hour. So they are asking current. Heat. Charge. They are asking charge. See, current given, voltage given, time given. Now what they are asking? They are asking charge. So charge formula is what? A simple thing. Why? Voltage no required here. So I is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to I into T. So time given hour, convert into 60 into 60. Any problem? So 0.2 into 60 into 60. If I remove 10 here, it will cancel. So what happened? 12 into 60. 720 coulomb is the answer. Clear? Next point. So see here, no use of voltage. So this thing you also keep in mind. You don't forget that, sir, what happened with voltage. So just go through the concept, whatever the concept we have. Here question is there, bacha diagram is there. They here 9 coulomb, 9 ohm. The A to B, they are asking RAB, resistance in RAB. What is that? Bacha, it is series, it is a parallel. So 9 ohm directly plus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. So if you take here, what happens if you solve RP first? So 9 LCM upon 2. So 9 by 2. Okay, reverse. So 9 plus 9 by 2. 9 plus 4.5. 13.5 is the answer. Okay. convert this parallel into series. I convert same thing I did. Then after make a series combination addition. Then add the both resistors. So same thing I did, bacha. Next point. So this one we also clear. They are asking Joule's law of heating effect. What is Joule's law of heating effect? When electric current I is passed through resistor R for a time t, the heat is produced, and this is known as Joule's law of heating. So this much concept I discussed today with you. Next, if you want, I will discuss more. Don't worry. Now, what I should discussed? Maximum concept I discussed with you, bacha. See, one more concept I am going to discuss with you. If length become double and area become half. So new resistance is what? How resistance change? How resistance change? First question. Second question they ask, how resistivity change? Bacha, simple thing. Resistivity does not depend upon length and area. So resistivity no change. Okay. So now resistance change. See, initial resistance we have R is equal to rho L by A. Resistance length become double. So what happened? Length become double. So R L by 2. Sorry, R 2L. Area become half. So A by 2. It will go up. So rho L into 4 upon A. So rho L upon it is what? R, and it is R dash R1. R1 is equal to what? 4 times of R. So it becomes 4 times. Okay, right now. Next interesting question is there. मैं तुझको actually my drawing is bad, so don't worry about it. Just understand the concept. What is that? See, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. CBSE 2017 question. They are asking equivalent resistance. So this is series, this is parallel, this is parallel. So convert into first series. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel 1 ohm. So it become 1 ohm. So bacha 1 by 1 upon 1 by 1. What happened? 2 by 1, it become 1 by 2. So its equivalent is 1 by 2. Now add it, all are series. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 7.7 upon half. It is 7.5 ohm. This is the answer. Clear? You will also do like this, but it will come by the practice. More practice, more information you will know, more easy you can solve the paper. Next. Now we came to a good question I want to discuss with you. Understand this question clearly. I am writing question here. An electric kettle. From here, maybe by changing a word, but they will ask definitely electricity will question. So that's why I am discussing with you. An electric kettle of 2 kW kilowatt works for 2 hours daily. Calculate the first portion. Energy consumed in SI and commercial unit. First question. Electric kettle of 2 kilowatt work for 2 hours daily. So calculate the energy consumed in SI units and commercial units. First question they given. Second they ask cost of running. Cost of running it in the month of June. Bacha, at the rate given at the rate of 3.0 per unit. बच्चा pause the video and solve this question. If you solve this question, then comment the answer. Otherwise, observe and keep inside. Okay, so now understand. Energy they are asking, bachcha. So see, first question. Power is equal to energy by time. So energy is equal to power into time. Power is what? 2 kilowatt. Time is what? 2 hours. So answer is 4 kilowatt hour. So bachcha, unit, I hope you understand. First question, first answer. Next point. What they are asking? 2 hours every day. How much they are consuming? 2 hours every day. So see, if 2 hours every day in a June month is 30 days, so 2 into 30, how much unit? 60 unit. 60 unit they will consume. So electricity bill, bacha, how much they are asking question? So do simply. So 60 into what? We will tell me. How much they are consuming? 60. See, simple. 4. 2 into 2 unit. What I say? 2 hours every day. Okay. How much they? 30 days. So 60. Otherwise, still if you don't want to do, then simply you will do, bacha. Energy, how much you got? 4 kilowatt. Okay. In 4 kilowatt, 2 hours you are using every day. 2 kilowatt. 2 hours every day. Energy, how much? 4 kilowatt hour. Energy we got 4 kilowatt hour. Next point, they are asking rate, electricity in a June month. So in a June month, every day you are using 4 kilowatt. So in a June month, 30 days, how much you will use? Tell me. 30 into 4, 120 in and outs. 120 in and outs. Tell me. If any problem, see again. Power is equal to energy by time. Simple question. Electric kettle of 2 kilowatt works for 2 hours daily. So electric kettle 2 kilowatt works for 2 hours daily. Energy they ask, the energy is what? Power is equal to energy by time, energy upon time. So energy is equal to power into time. The power 2 kilo upon 2h, the 4 kilowatt hour. So 4 kilowatt hour answer. I hope you understand 4 kilowatt hour how it came. Next point. 4 kilowatt hour every day in the month of June. In the month of June, 30 days, bacha. So 30 into 4, 120. Total you how much consume? 120 units. Next point. Cost bacha per unit is 3 rupees. So 120 units cost is into 3. So total 12 3 36. So 360 rupees. In and out answer. So bacha assignment we got 4 kilowatt hour. They ask in commercial unit. So commercial bacha 4 into 1000 into kilowatt 1000 hour 60 into 60. I hope you will solve and you will get answer. Yeah, simply 4 into 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is the answer in commercial unit. Understand this question? If I change this data and if I give you another question, will you solve this question? See, I will give you another question instead of that. I hope you want to solve and try it. Why I am telling you focusing on this question? Because maximum time they will ask this type of question. So see, instead of 2 kilowatt and 2 hour, here, in the month of June, except in the month of June not, I am giving you another way. See, electric kettle of 5 kilowatt for 3 hours daily. Okay, cost of running it in the 20 days. In a 20 days, I not ask full month. I ask 20 days only. At the rate of 5 rupees per unit. How you will solve? Same pattern. Power is equal to energy by time. Energy is equal to power into time. So 5 kW into 3 hours. It is 15 kWh. 15 kilowatt hour. 15 kilowatt hour every day you are using. How much they ask? 20 days. So 15 into 20. How much you will get? So 15 3 hours. Tell me. 15 2 30. 300 units used. If I use 300 units bacha in a 20 days, cost is 5 rupees. So 5 into 300, answer is 1500. And outs. This is the pattern. Commercial unit bacha again 15 into 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Okay, so these are the pattern. This question is important for us in the electricity chapter. I discussed with you. If you want more content as like this, then let me know. I will come with you and I will cover all the aspects. Till now, Jai Hind. See, now we started class at 12 o'clock, now 42. 12:42. And we cover all the data, all the information in a very less time with a systematic way. Just go through it. If you want any help, any query, then just let me know. Okay. At night, this time, still I am teaching you what you want now. Okay. Yeah. Okay.